Juliet Radongo. I'm a business lady operating a car wash known as Vaporklin autospar. We are located along Northern Bypass within Anzana Gardens, opposite to Rivers Mall. We specialize in steam wash, where we do body steam wash, engine steam wash, upholstery, and we also do other wash and car detailing. While we are doing the steam, why we are unique and why we are calling ourselves Vaporklin is because we are using a machine that is heating to 140 degrees temperatures. So while we are cleaning your car, we are able to sanitize the vehicle. So we welcome you to Vaporklin autospar. During my construction, I was looking for materials which I can use for flooring the car wash. I was able to do my research, and during the research I came across Jijenge pavers or Jijenge makers. I got to know them through the social media. I also learned about their UN award and also from the newspaper. I approached the company. I visited their premises in the industrial area. After I visited their factory in the industrial area, I realized they make bricks out of plastic waste. And after more research, I was able to use them on my car wash because there are so many advantages to using these bricks. The advantages of using these bricks is that they are easy to clean, they are durable or hardy, very minimal waste during construction because they don't break, they are non-skid, and maintenance is easy. Jijenge bricks can be recommended for car wash, pathways, home compound, and even driveways where you have heavy traffic. That is my recommendation for Jijenge bricks. I can attest to that.